How to unlock selection in Microsoft Word. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is Rose and I will guide you to unlock selection in Microsoft Word. Watch the video till the end and without further ado, let's begin. If you are unable to type in Microsoft Word due to selection error, first you need to close Microsoft Word. Navigate to Windows search icon and type in Word or simply Microsoft Word. Under the base match, you will get the application. Right click on the app and click on Open File Location. Here you need to again right click on Word. And from this menu, click on Open File Location. Then at the top, you will see Microsoft Word. Simply click to open it. Now locate Office 16 and open it. And once you're on this section, you simply need to search for the file name ospparm.exe. If you don't find it, you will see ospprearm. Simply right click on it and select Run as Administrator if you got the option. And then click on Yes button. This should resolve the selection error and you'll be able to type in Word again. So I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.